The Swiss Army Triplet. Man, this is a fun rudiment to play. I love playing this on drum set. It's got so many possibilities. Swiss Army Triplet is a flam tap plus one other note, another tap. So if you play a flam, tap, tap, another note on the left hand, and then we're going to start over. So right flam, right tap, left. And then we repeat that over and over. Right, left, right, left, right. And of course, practice it on the left hand. Left flam, left tap, right tap. Left, right, left, right, left. The Swiss Army Triplet. Let's work on this one nice and slow. Bounce the stick. Don't be too controlling. Let it bounce. If I broke this down one hand at a time, I got this on the right hand, this in the left hand, together, and off the left. Left hand, left, right, together. Let it bounce. Nice and relaxed. Bouncy, bouncy. The Swiss Army Triplet.